Stop guessing, stop wasting wood, and start building smarter. You're watching Tools Inspector, the channel where we uncover tools that actually fix real workshop problems. If you love clean cuts, perfect fits, and tools that actually pull their weight, hit subscribe right now. Let's jump straight in. Number 1, SKIL 15 amp 10-inch portable job site table saw. If one tool could upgrade your entire workshop overnight, this might be it. The powerful 15 amp motor rips through hardwood, plywood, and pressure-treated lumber without slowing down. Its rack and pinion fence locks in straight and stays accurate even after repeated adjustments. The large cutting capacity handles bigger panels with confidence. The folding stand makes it portable, stable, and quick to set up. Number 2, MOSSY OAK 3-in-1 folding pruning saw. This compact saw looks simple, but it's built for serious work. With interchangeable blades for wood, metal, and PVC, it adapts to almost any cutting situation. The aggressive tooth design cuts fast while staying controlled. Its folding body keeps the blade protected during transport and storage. Perfect for camping, survival kits, workshops, or emergency use. One small tool that earns its place every time. Number 3, the original cabinet hardware jig. Cabinet hardware installation is where projects usually go wrong. This jig eliminates that risk. It's hand-calibrated in the USA for extreme accuracy and repeatability. Every knob and pull lands perfectly aligned, door after door. Setup is fast, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. No remazuring, no nevem andes, no vasted cabinete fronts. Once you use this jig, freehand drilling feels like a gamble. Number 4. Feekoon 13-foot band strap clamps. Clamping frames and irregular shapes doesn't have to be frustrating anymore. These heavy-duty band clamps apply even pressure across the entire project. The reinforced corner claws hold angles square during glue-ups. The thick strap resists stretching under tension. Quick-release locks save time when adjustments are needed. Number 5. AVID Power 5-inch Random Orbit Sander. Sanding is often the most exhausting part of woodworking. This tool makes it manageable. The 3.0 amp motor provides smooth, consistent power without bogging down. Variable speed control lets you match the sanding strength to the material. The random orbit motion reduces swirl marks for cleaner finishes. Dust collection actually helps keep your workspace cleaner. Proof that affordable sanders can still deliver professional results. Number 6. Benchtop clamp. A solid workbench means nothing without reliable clamping. These Benchtop clamps drop right into standard dog holes for instant holding power. The non-marking pads grip securely without damaging wood surfaces. Setup takes seconds and locks tight with minimal effort. Perfect for sanding, cutting, routing, and assembly work. Simple, rugged, and used constantly once installed. Once you try them, you'll wonder how you ever worked without proper bench control. Number 7. This machine transforms rough boards into smooth, consistent stock. The spiral cutter head produces cleaner cuts with far less tear out. It also runs quieter than traditional straight knife planers. Depth adjustments are precise and repeatable for consistent thickness. Ideal for small shops and home workshops. A serious upgrade for anyone working with raw lumber. This planer turns frustrating prep work into fast, predictable results. Number 8. Precision Setup Blocks Height Gauge Set. Precision is everything, and these setup blocks deliver it instantly. Made from solid aluminum, they don't flex or wear down. Laser engraved markings are clear and easy to read. Perfect for setting blade height, fence distance, and router depth. Once you start using setup blocks, you won't go back. They save time on every setup and reduce mistakes before they happen. Number 9. Stair Tread Template Tool. Stair building fails when measurements are even slightly off. This template tool locks securely and transfers exact angles every time. It removes guesswork from stair treads and risers. Works equally well for shelving, countertops, and custom fit projects. It turns complex layouts into repeatable accuracy. A must-have for anyone doing finished carpentry or remodeling work. Number 10. Bow Products GuidePRO. Control and safety go hand in hand with this featherboard. It applies smooth vertical pressure to keep material stable during cuts. Silicone feathers grip firmly without leaving marks. Feed consistency improves immediately, reducing kickback risk. Ideal for bandsaw resawing and precision ripping. A small safety upgrade with a massive impact. This is one of those tools you trust more every time you use it. Number 11. Thin Rip Jig for table saws. Thin cuts are where table saws feel most dangerous. This jig changes that. It allows repeatable, narrow strips without crowding the blade. Perfect for trim, edge banding, and accent pieces. Setup is fast and fits standard T-slots. Cuts come out consistent and clean every time. Confidence replaces fear with this jig installed. It turns a risky operation into a controlled, repeatable process. Number 12. Nicpro Mechanical Carpenter Pencil Set. Marking tools are underrated, but accuracy starts here. These mechanical pencils reach deep holes and tight corners easily. The heavy-duty leads resist snapping under pressure. Included refills and sharpener keep you working nonstop. Clear, bold lines improve layout accuracy. A small tool that improves every single project. Once you switch to these, regular pencils feel unreliable. Number 13. EZARC 6-piece Wood Chisel Set. Sharp chisels change how woodworking feels instantly. These chisels arrive sharp and ready for use. The blades hold their edge well during carving and joinery. Comfortable handles provide solid control and balance. The wooden case keeps everything organized and protected. A reliable set for beginners and experienced woodworkers alike. Clean joints and crisp details become much easier to achieve. Number 14. 7-inch Metal Carpenter Square. Accuracy lives in small tools like this. This aluminum square delivers precise 90 degrees and 45 degrees angles every time. Lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use all day. High visibility markings improve speed and accuracy. Perfect for trim work, joinery, and layout checks. A dependable square saves time on every project. It's the kind of tool you reach for dozens of times a day. Number 15. Tall stair gauges for framing squares. Stair and rafter layouts demand absolute precision. These tall gauges clamp securely to framing squares without slipping. They lock measurements in place for repeatable accuracy. Built-in holders and carabiners keep them accessible on a job. Ideal for stair stringers, rafters, and framing layouts. Once installed, your framing square becomes a precision layout tool. This is accuracy you can trust cut after cut. If you want smarter tools that actually make woodworking easier, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Tools Inspector, and we'll keep finding the tools worth your time and money.